Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on one of the largest road projects to be done in Kingston. This is the upgrading of the Arthur Wint Drive, Tom Redcombe Road, and South Camp Road. Now Arthur Wint Drive is going to be upgraded at a cost of $2.2 billion, and we're going to talk about that project today. We are on Tom Redcombe Road and we're turning on to Arthur Wint Drive now. So this road is going to become 4 lanes, a dual carriageway with the concrete barricade in the middle. This road has 3 of the most important entities in Kingston. It has the Edna Manley College, and that's coming up on the left. It actually has 4. That's the entrance to the Edna Manley College on the left. To the right is Up Park Camp, the largest military base in Jamaica, and there's an entrance off Arthur Wint Drive. However, the main entrance is off South Camp Road. And then coming up, well, on the left is a car dealership, but the third major entity is the Bustamante Children's Hospital, which is on the right. And this is the largest children's hospital in the English-speaking Caribbean. And then as we drive up some more, you're going to come up to the National Stadium. So this is a very busy thoroughfare. So the government will be upgrading it. And also the government is trying to become a co-host for the Women's World Cup. And in an effort to get that bid, they would have to upgrade the road leading to the stadium. So we're going to give you an update on what they have planned here. And this upgrade project is going to be part of the CapEx road program. Now the government has a few road programs, but the CapEx program is by far the I would say the best one. It's only doing 6 roads, although it's been upgraded. A few other roads have been added to the project, so it's more than 6 roads now. But this one is doing the best job out there, the CapEx road program. So we're going to give you an update on this project. The planned upgrade of Arthur Wint Drive represents one of the most significant infrastructure investments being undertaken in Kingston, Jamaica. The project is designed to modernize an important transportation corridor, improve traffic movement, and support the continued growth and development of the capital city. Arthur Wint Drive serves as a key connection within the Kingston metropolitan area, linking major residential, commercial, and institutional zones. With increasing traffic volumes caused by population growth, economic activity, and urban expansion, improvements to the roadway are expected to reduce congestion and create a more efficient transportation network. The project includes major road improvements, such as widening sections of the corridor to increase capacity, along with upgrades to underground infrastructure, including water and sewer systems. These improvements are intended not only to benefit motorists, but also to strengthen essential services for communities along the route. The expansion of Arthur Wint Drive forms part of a wider effort to upgrade Kingston's road network. Along with other planned transportation projects, it reflects a push to improve mobility, enhance road safety, and prepare the city for future development. Alright guys, that's the end of the update. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.